What we got here? A milk carton, milk bag, whatever you call it. We got milk makeup PR, and we got some base products that everybody loves to review and some other things. So I received PR. I'm very excited. So we're gonna go product by product and try everything. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. I'm Elaina. I'm on Painted as Raven Season 2, available on Wow Presents right now. I usually do face paint, drag makeup, celebrity impersonation, and just makeup looks like this. So you can find all kind of videos on my channel. Check it out later. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. So first of all, I want to point it out. This is PR. This is gifted, and I received all this product from Milk Makeup. Thank you so much, Milk Makeup, for contacting me on Instagram. That was a surprise. When a big brand reaches out to like a micro influencer like myself, it's always very surprising. It's a nice surprise. So thank you. So they offered me some PR and they sent me some of their base, very, very popular products. And I don't believe there is anything like a super new here. So we're gonna go product by product. You'll see them apply. Before we start the video, I just want to mention the prices because I didn't say it at the end. So we got the Hydro Grip, the infamous Hydro Grip primer, and this is the regular size. It's full size. It's 45 milliliters, and this is $38. I gagged actually when I looked it up. I wasn't even sure how much it is. And then we got Shanji here, and he's not for sale. He's priceless. You can't have him. He's priceless. He's my baby. What? Do you want to participate in a review? You like my lip gloss? Say hello to the audience. Yeah, he came to get petted. Go to daddy. Come on, come. Anyway, we got milk. That's what you get in this channel, a bonus. A white cat casually walking in, asking to get petted. Well, he wants dinner. It's dinner time. Anyway, back to our product. Hydra Grip Set Refresh Spray. This one is also $38. And this is full size as well. This is 100 milliliters. And I got lip and cheek cream blush and lip color. We got two colors here. So we got quick and work. And each one of these is 24 bucks. They're kind of small, so like 24 bucks. I guess there's a lot of product in there. Anyway, we got Kush Mascara, Volumizing Mascara. And this is $28. And we got the eyeliner. So this is Infinity Long Wear Eyeliner, and this is 22 bucks, and it's in black. And also the one I almost forget to mention because I have no eyebrows. We got Kush Brow Gel that I'm probably gonna give away to somebody I know with eyebrows. And this is 22 bucks, right? Not 24, excuse me. And lamination gel. So without further ado, let's get into the try on and we'll see what it looks like. So let's start off with the eyeliner. I already did the eye look, so this is not a tutorial for the eyes, obviously, and this is going to be a separate look for Instagram. The best products of 2023 by Kimchi Chic Beauty, so it has nothing to do with this. So this is Milk Makeup, and this is Infinity Long Wear Eyeliner, and this one is waterproof. It says waterproof vegan eyeliner, serious staying power, then infused with avocado oil and ceramides for smooth application. So I did this eye already, and it is very smooth. So I'm doing, obviously this is a halo eye, and I'm doing the inner corners, and I'm doing a tight line, and I'm going to use this as an eyeliner as well. It is very smooth. It goes on easily. The only thing is I already broke off a tip once. It kind of like if you're trying to create a sharp line, which is not supposed to do. I mean, it isn't the purpose of this kind of pen. It breaks off because you push so hard. So it's kind of my own fault. But it is very smooth. So the other end has a smudger and there is a sharpener in there. I mean, we've seen this a million times before. Other brands do the same thing. The smudger seems very soft. It has like a very sharp edge. So if I want to smudge the outer corner, because this is supposed to be like for a soft look, not for like this sharp eyeliner. I might add some more eyeliner. I mean, this does not create those sharp, very, very opaque looks. Obviously, it's more like a natural look, but you know, it lines fine. I like it. I like it more for waterline, I would say, and not for the upper eyelid. So the next thing I'm really excited about, I mean, everybody heard and used the infamous Milk Makeup Primer. And this is the one that's a Hydro Grip Primer. All the drag queens love it because it's like makes a makeup stick. A lot of people swear by it. I never cared. Well, first of all, one is I'm a cheapskate, so I didn't care about spending money on myself. Two, my face doesn't have a lot of problems like makeup sliding and not staying, so I'm like, why do I even need it? But now I'm like, ooh, interesting. So this says it's a clean 94% natural, hydrating, and makeup gripping gel primer formulated with hemp-derived cannabis seed extract. Oh, hello weed. I'm just kidding. Blue agave extract up to 12-hour wear. Okay, we all know this, so we shall try this. You know I'm gonna try to sniff it, right? I have to sniff everything. I'm like a cat. I'm literally part cat. I sniff everything. It smells kind of refreshing. I mean, obviously it's a jelly, clear jelly texture. It does feel sticky, obviously. I can't quite place it, but the scent is very pleasant. So I'm going with the kimchi foundation. I'm using for my favorite looks of kimchi. I'm trying to do like a full face of kimchi at the same time, except for the Milk Makeup products I got sent. I can tell it grips really easily. I mean, it's hard for me to tell personally the difference because, like I said, I usually don't have any issues with foundation, not staying or sliding or anything. But I could tell that it's like the foundation just goes and sits where I put it. So now they sent me two blushes here, Quickie and Work. So these are cream blushes. This is lip and cheek tint, I think. Creamy sheer blush and lip color tints and hydrates. So I would say it's very creamy. One came off like this. It has like a little plastic lid over it. I opened it up and it broke. I don't know what's wrong with it. But this one is like darker. So I'm gonna try a little bit of this on my finger. It's more pinky. You see, it's very hard to apply over the foundation and over that primer now. Can I be honest with you guys? You probably would love me to be honest. I hated this Hydro Grip Primer. Hated it. I don't know, it might be the user error. Could be. Because I'm not claiming to be familiar with it. It says apply 1-2 pumps. I did not apply more than 2 pumps. It was like 1 and I applied a little more over the face and I applied kimchi foundation. But the blush is actually very pretty. It does apply. It's like it's a little hard to apply over it because my face feels like glues over it, you know. It's really is sticky. I think that primer would be great for oily people, I would imagine, for oily skin. I don't know, I'm not sure because I'm not really familiar with the product, but I know it's very popular amongst like a lot of people. Well, majority of people I know, they love it, right? But for me, it feels like it was so sticky that foundation went on it and gripped everywhere and I could not spread it well. So my face looks very cakey now. Like you can't probably see it, but if you like magnify it, look very close, it was extremely hard to blend. I'll look like that when I powder over it probably. And it still feels like, my skin still feels like there is glue on it. I don't know why it's so popular, to be honest. I hated it. I can't believe I hated it because I know people love it. Maybe I'm dehydrated. Maybe it's like winter time or something. I don't know what it is, but I apply foundation not on a daily basis because I work at the gym, but I apply it often. And kimchi foundation I'm very familiar with, and it never looks so bad on me. I mean, I made it work. I used kimchi sponge and I dunked it in water again, squeezed it out, applied over it, and even that like barely helped to spread. Almost forgot to tell you, I was complaining about the grip primer. I'm applying a little liquid blush, and both blushes are very pretty. They actually do spread easily. It's a little hard, like I said, over the sticky surface, but it's not bad. And I can see them working on my skin very well if I use another primer. And it actually works. I really pretty. I use both of them. First I went with the darker one, the Quickie, and then with Work. I love Work. It's real nice, pretty pink. I like these. These are real. So next we got the mascara. I already powdered everything. I mean, it's not terrible once I powdered. I thought it was gonna look worse. Kind of settled. I use Kimchi Puff Pass powder, and yeah, I can see some lines here, some texture, because it's just too much. Yeah, pretty texture for me. But we'll just skip that and we'll ignore this. This is Kush Mascara High Volume Conditioning Mascara formulated with heart-shaped fibers. Heart-shaped fibers? How's it possible? Hemp-derived cannabis seed oil and pure pigments for glum-free intense black finish. So let's see. I started to apply a little bit because I'm making a reel, because nobody cares about YouTube anymore. Alright, so oh, smell actually nice somehow. Like not like a regular typical mascara. I don't know how it's possible. It seems like it's a very good brush for volume. I might actually be a fan of this because I already feel like it's giving me volume immediately. So zoom in so you can see. I mean, it's a nice mascara. It's nothing like extraordinary, but it does give you volume. It's a little like on the drier side, which is an advantage, but when it's too wet, it doesn't give you any volume. So I feel like it's a good one. Yeah, I definitely would use it. I'm still gonna use lashes. I mean, I'm extra, right? But before we use lashes, you can see. So now we got the spray. So I'm kind of a little bit worried because the Hydro Grip primer was so cakey for me, on me at least. The bottle, I like the package and everything. It says the Bi-Face setting spray grips makeup. It doubles as a refreshing face mist. Formulated with Hydro Grip Heroes hemp-derived cannabis seed extract and blue agave extract. So it says to spray 8 to 10 inches from the face. I mean, the obvious. It says it's alcohol-free and absorbs quickly. So let's see. Spray evenly on skin 2-4 times. Kind of looks same color as the Hydro Grip primer. We'll see. First of all, let's see how the spray is. Oh, it's a very fine mist. It doesn't have much scent. I'm gonna cover myself up so I don't spray my shirt. Let's see. Alright, the spray seems to be nice and refreshing. There's nothing crazy or weird about it. It's really pretty. I like it. Alright, so this is the finished product, the finished look. I let the spray set and dry. I mean, obviously, I fanned myself dramatically. And yeah, I like this spray. The spray is real nice and hydrating. Okay, so we're getting to the end of this video, so let's go product by product real quick. So I did look it up, like as an afterthought, the primer and the reviews on Milk website. Mostly are positive, and there's some negative reviews, 1 star, from people like me, and they say it is actually meant for dry skin. And I was very shocked because it feels like it should be better for oily. I don't know, don't vote me. But there's some people said the same thing, that it clumped foundation on their skin and made it extremely sticky. It did not spread. So that's what I felt like. The foundation just can't spread. It blend. It's just terrible. But it's just my opinion. Most people love it. So let's take it with a grain of salt. The spray is great. Love it. Beautiful. The blushes are great. And mascara is amazing. And the pencil is good. And also the one that I did not review, I'm probably going to give it away, is a Kush Brow Lamination Gel. I could not review it because I have no eyebrows. No, I don't. I have almost no hair, so it's pointless. So I'm just going to give it to somebody else. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried these products? I mean, they've been around for a long time and they're not new. And there are a lot of staples. Let me know if any of you hate that primer, just like I did. The spray, I'm gonna be using that. I really enjoy this, but the primer, no way. So leave me a comment, like this video if you enjoyed it, and just subscribe to my channel if you like, and ring notification bell. Follow me on social media. All the links are in the description box. So thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!